After watching this video, you will be able to design anything on Canva. I will teach you everything from beginner level to professional level. But before starting this video, if you are interested in graphic designing, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. The first thing that you need to do is go to canva.com and sign in with your account. You can either sign up for free or log in with your account using Google account. This is the dashboard that you will see after logging into your account. On your left, you can see home, templates, and your already made projects. You can design almost anything using Canva. There are a lot of ready to use templates to make it easy for you. You can also go and search for anything that you want to create, like Instagram posts, and it will show you some ready to go templates that you can use. The crown symbol on the post shows that you need to have a pro subscription to use this template. You can also filter templates that you are looking for, like modern, minimalist, and for post. Let's design a post from scratch. Click on create a blank Instagram post. It will open up a blank square on a new tab. After selecting the template, on the left side you can see templates. If you want to change it, you can see elements. Elements are ready to use shapes that you can use on your project. You can also change their color. For example, I'm gonna use this like button. If I want to change the main color of that, I can easily do that. Just click on the element and go to colors and pick your color. You can also delete this element by clicking on the delete button. It will delete the element. You can upload your own files on Canva to use it on your project. You can also see your already done projects. You can add text, photos, and style. So let's go ahead and design a post. Let's add this circle on the post. Increase its size a bit, and add it to the middle. This line shows that it is horizontally aligned to the center, and if you see the lines in the middle, it shows that it is perfectly aligned in the center. Let's lock this layer. This means that I can't move this object anymore. Now let's go to text and add some text to our post. There are a lot pre-made text combination that you can use on your post. But if you are using a free version of Canva, then make sure that your design does not include any of the pro elements. All of these elements are grouped together. You can ungroup them by clicking on the ungroup button. Let's delete this and this too and increase its size a bit. Now let's add some random shapes to the design. To adjust the position of the element, you need to go to positions, and here all of the options are available for the position. So let's send it to backwards and decrease its size. Let's add another one and this one too. Let's send it to backwards. I can also change the color according to my brand. So let's change its color. I think I need to decrease its opacity. Let's change the text a little bit. And add another element. I like the design so far, but the person is facing the wrong way. So let's flip it with the option flip. You can either flip horizontal or vertical. I need it on horizontal, and this fixes the design. Let's add this one too. These symbols mean that you can rotate this element. Post is almost done, but all we need to do is animate all of the elements so this post will be engaging for the viewer. For that, you can either do every element one by one, or you can just click on the post and click on animate, and it will animate everything for you. Now link these shapes together by holding the shift key and right click on the every element. Go to animate. Let's animate everything. Now let's see how our post is looking by click on the play button, and it's all done. You can download this file in MP4 version, or you can save the image if you want to. So let's download it by clicking on the download button, and it will start downloading. I hope I cover everything about Canva. If you have any question about Canva, ask me in the comments and like this video, and thanks for watching.